We're super excited about our latest review. We work very hard to meet everyone's needs, and we really value hearing 5-star reviews like this one. Now we're sharing it with you. Attention to detail and great satisfaction are among our top priorities. And as you can see, this stellar review is proof that we succeed in providing top-rate services and complete care to each and every individual. We want you to experience the best service possible, and at the same time, we would like to earn a 5-star review from you. Simply contact the number on your screen if we can help you. We look forward to serving you. Thanks for watching.